What's going on, kids? Ella Nick back at Sport Wheels. Beautiful day today. It's been crappy, but today's nice. Cool old Jawa came in. It'd be a cool bike to do. The motors go great into the body. It's pretty cool looking. Big thing is the motor's free. That's the secret. I forget how you turn these over because the shifter's the Kickstarter. I forget how you do it. You pull out, push in. Nope, can't do it. It seems to move. Kickstarter moves anyway. This is in gear. Oh, that's pretty cool. See if anything else cool came in. This Ducati's still here. It's be a good bike to redo, man. It doesn't need much. Now look at the tank on that Suzuki. Fiberglass. Big old tank there. Don't belong to that bike though. Definitely a cool tank though. Let's see what else we got. Oh, 100. 2 Aramachi Harleys. Crash. Looks like you got hit pretty good. It's amazing that we don't get that many crash bikes in. But this is a crash. That got hit. Hit pretty hard. Motor's untouched though. Good candidate to pull the motor. Yeah, the motor looks untouched. Looks like all just cosmetic. Let's see what else we got. I'm dropping off a load. Well, not a load. I want to clean my lens real quick. Not a load, but a couple bikes. A couple neat bikes. Dropping off this Osa Plunker 68 Trials bike. Matching numbers. It is a Trials bike too, but it runs in the Suzuki GS 16 valve and a pretty nice TY 250 and some piece of junk Yamaha. Let's see what else came in while I've been gone, because I've been gone and this place gets spikes in daily, so you gotta come here a lot. Come on, someone save this Royal Enfield Flea. It's cool, man. It is a cool bike. It's all there to it. It doesn't need anything. It needs tubes and a tire in the back. You got the little chamber pipe on it. It's cool, man. Even has the original air cleaner on it. Someone should get that bike and do it. A lot of Cushmans. Cushmans are everywhere here. Cherry Bomb, Honda 450. Cool little bike. Someone's bought this one. Clean Honda 450. Nice little Suzuki there. Harley Davidson 1200 Sporter. I'm looking for an old Sportster, like a 50s. Ooh, Suzuki GS6R 1100G. Huh. That wasn't here. The MZ Rotexes are here. Oh, nice Yamaha 175 Enduro. $3,700, but it's nice. Got a bunch of Enduros over there. A nice Aramachi. You're into Aramachis. CBR Honda, kind of beat up. Suzuki sold. Honda. That's a good deal. $1,500 for this three-wheeler. I seen one sell at Meekum for $10,500. $10,500 it sold for. Just like this, exact same bike. That's a good buy, $1,500, man. I'm gonna have to. A Dhaka. Looks like the one I just sold. Hey, this used to be mine. Both of these used to be mine. But they're sold though. Oh, look at that. Little Indian. Needs a little bit of love and care, but it's there. There's a Ducati 500. Be a good bike to restore. What's this? BSA 650. This used to be my Hornet. It's a nice bike. It's a factory race bike too. Norton Commando, first year electric start. Triumph, BSA, Triumph, Norton Commando, another, I think, electric start bike, 850. The newer Royal Enfield. Oh, look at that bastard. Oh, a couple Moto Guzzi's. Oh, I'm missing a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't see any. None of these bikes were here last time I was here. None of them. Pretty nice. That Royal Enfield's nice. Missing the one side toolbox cover, but it's pretty nice. Ducati 250. Moto Guzzi 850. An Ambassador. I used to have this bike. Good bikes, run forever. KZ 900, 75, big money. 15 grand. Big old scooter. Yamaha Seika. Rare one too. CB750F, $3,500. It looks clean too. Look at that. A lot of bike for $3,500. RD350. RD350. What is this? A Honda CB125. I don't think I've ever seen this bike. Hawks are good bikes. Well, I think that's it. I think I've seen everything else here. Stuff everywhere in this place. You gotta really look. There's a lot of stuff in here. Got lots of cruisers. Looking for a cruiser. A lot of them. Heck, look at that. You get into this bike for $3 grand. Another one, $3 grand. That's a lot of bike for $3 grand. Just the time to buy and stash it till spring. Buy now. Buy cheap now. It's so high in the spring. Because they'll make you a deal on these cruisers. Alright, what do I want for this GS? $2,600. Man, that someone's got to save this Royal Enfield Flea, man. It's a neat old bike. Old Sears. What's out here? Nothing I want. No, 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 I gotta do a public service announcement. I see bikes coming in all the time and people cut the back end off. Don't do that. Don't cut them off. No one wants them cut off. You just ruin the bike forever. It can never be put back, and just stop doing that. Just stop. Because no one wants it. Everyone wants to cut that rear frame off. Yeah, nothing out here for me. I got a million luggage racks and bags. Just endless of them. Endless, endless, endless. All right, let's go find Joe and get my load unloaded. Let's start Kawasaki. Oh, someone hit hard on that. Probably got hurt. I think in my next build, I want to build a Harley road race bike, full fairing, because no one does. So I'm done. Wow, look at all these RDs. RD, 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 RD. Anyone want RDs? Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 RDs here and 2 in the barn. 8 RDs. Time to buy is now. Prices are cheaper in the beginning of winter. See anything you want, message me. I'll hook you up. CZs. See if any of the weeds have died in the yard. Because that's the problem here, is the weeds just take over everything. They're starting to die, but they're still out there. Little baby mini bike. It's still full of weeds, man. You gotta wait till the dead of winter till the weeds are gone. They used to spray, but they don't spray no more. Need to come here with a crop duster, helicopter, or plane, and spray the whole place, kill everything. Then you'll know what you got. Let's take a walk through the barn, see if there's anything good stashed. Denny stashes stuff and don't tell you. Empty crates. What do we got here? Oh, Yamaha 650 stuff. That looks like it's all OSA stuff. Looks like OSA stuff to me. Big pile of OSA stuff. Yep, there's frames in OSA. All that stuff's OSA too. Buy it. Show you the whole pallet. Cheap. On the 650 stuff. And what that bike is back there. Something cool though. Never know what you're gonna find. Sport wheels. Because this is a big place with a lot of stuff. And it just keeps going. You gotta go on the hunt here. Search. Search, search, and search. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. I gotta unload those bikes. See you later, guys.